Hi guys, Matthew from Your Fidelity here, and welcome to a short bit of unboxing of the Campfire Audio Orbit, their first true wireless earphone. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so let's proceed with the unboxing. Here we have the Orbit. It's in a nice little package here. You can already see the design language that's typical for Campfire, those kind of low poly geometrical shapes, their usual logo. Now under proper lighting you can really see how those gold flakes pop. Yeah, they give off a really nice color and it feels like a premium item. It really does. So now we have this sticker here. Let's tear it right off. Well, that wasn't the cleanest tear of my life, but I guess it's gonna be good enough. So now let's open this up and okay, it kind of unfolds like that to reveal a kind of indigo kind of box. Wow, it almost looks as if Campfire wants to propose to me. Wow. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside, because you know the box not everything, and a great reveal, nicely done, of course. And here we have the buds themselves. Here in this little paper compartment we have some tips. I can see there's a pair of, actually there's multiple pair of tips. There are some silicone tips and some foam tips. So we got 3 sizes of foam tips and a pair of silicone tips that, you know, color wise they match the rest of the set. Okay, so let's get those things out of the way so they don't kind of make a mess. And here we have the great reveal of the buds. I'll try to give you a better look of that. The color of those has been a controversy among us Your Fidelity guys. Some of them said they kind of look like that, you know, grandma's underwear color. But personally I think it's a nice department from the usual black and white colorway. And the green is actually a nice pop of color right there. I kind of like it. I kind of like how they went in a different direction right there. So 2 holes right there. I assume one of them is the microphone and the other one is for pressure release. And another hole there. Wow. The entire thing is made of plastic, but honestly I don't mind. It's fitted very well. It doesn't seem like it's gonna fall apart in my hands. Or in my ears for that matter. It's that kind of Sennheiser HD series plastic where even though everything is made of plastic apart from maybe a few parts, it really feels sturdy in your hand. Your standard USB-C port, big ol' Campfire audio sign. I don't mind that honestly. It feels a little bit like a toy, but a sturdy toy. So I don't really mean to fire at the guys at Campfire, of course, but that's just what I think. Here we also have lights, basically lights and holes everywhere. Oh my god, confusing. That was a nice unboxing experience. It's always been very important to me to, you know, have something nice inside the box like this, because, you know, the product is one thing, of course it has to be good. On the other hand, why not spoil us a little bit, you know? Why not grant us a nice unboxing experience? Here we have some more accessories. Of course we have the cable and a Campfire pin. The cable is very short. Well, honestly it's average. It's a pretty satisfactory size for a cable, and I bet it has a good personality as well. So let's throw that to the side. We have another size of tips right here. Kind of makes me wonder why didn't they package that size with all the other tips. The pin, of course. Can't wait to rock it, man. Okay, it looks pretty nice. It's metal with that glass finish. Here we have some paperwork. Yeah, instruction manual. If it's interesting to you, you may take a look, but honestly, it's most likely all on the internet. Yeah, that's it. Also, there is one thing I definitely have to show you, and this deserves its own segment. Trading cards. Can you imagine? Wow. It really makes you reminisce about all the Pokemon trading card days. And yeah, it's a great touch, honestly. And if that's the route they're going the next time, then I will happily buy a Campfire product just for the cards themselves. Oh, no, that's unfortunate. Okay. What do we have here? Solaris is the first one. Andromeda King. Solstice. Ooh, nice. Kind of looks like... yeah, it really does remind you of Pokemon cards. But I really like that. Polaris, Lyra, Jupiter, and Atlas. I'm guessing that you're going to get different cards with different earphones and with different units, so that's pretty exciting. It was a very nice unboxing experience. I love the cards, the buds themselves seem well made. So yeah, I guess that does it, and we're back. So one thing I'd like to correct, you can also get the cards separate without the need to buy a Campfire product, so that's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be nice to trade them maybe on Can Jam, maybe on high-end, wherever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've had fun, I hope you did too, and see you guys in the next one.